Lawyers representing the Perez family have officially filed a lawsuit against the Pocatello Police Department on behalf of Victor Perez. He is the autistic teen who was shot 9 times by Pocatello Police in April. Civil rights attorney John Burris says under the Disabilities Act, if police are aware that a person is disabled and they can find an alternative to deadly force, they are required to do that.
Because of their failure to exercise de-escalating type techniques, or to be aware that he was mentally impaired and therefore able to talk to him in a different way, they took the most aggressive method possible. That is to say, they arrived on the scene just like gangbusters, and within moments, not minutes, not hours, no effort to give the young man any opportunity to locate where he was, but to self-identify with these officers, they shot and killed him.
Burris says they now begin a long road toward justice for Victor. A civil rights case could take up to 3 years to complete, not to mention the potential for additional legal action on behalf of the family members who were potentially in the line of fire. As for the Perez family, Victor's grandfather, Luis Armando Alicias, named as guardian in the lawsuit, says they want justice done as soon as possible.
We are dealing with a person who died in my house. We are not talking about an animal. We are talking about a human being. I don't have the words to talk about it because we feel pain.
Attorney James Cook says while the case is a civil lawsuit, in the past they have influenced state attorneys to pursue criminal charges. The case is currently under investigation by the Eastern Idaho Critical Incident Task Force.
Tomorrow, the Perez family and their lawyers will be holding a Truth and Reconciliation Town Hall to help the community heal from this experience.
Across the nation now, in a massive win for President Donald Trump, the Supreme Court rules he can move forward with implementing to end birthright citizenship. The justices focusing on whether district courts had that power to stop that executive order from actually taking effect. Perry Russum has more.
In a monumental case before the Supreme Court, the justices ruling President Trump can move forward with implementing the end of birthright citizenship. The High Court today focusing on whether district courts have the ability to issue nationwide injunctions on Trump's executive order.
Thanks to this decision, we can now promptly file to proceed with numerous policies that have been wrongly enjoined on a nationwide basis.
The decision 6-3, split along ideological lines. Justice Amy Coney Barrett with the opinion of the court writing, universal injunctions likely exceed the equitable authority that Congress has given to federal courts. Justice Sonia Sotomayor writing in dissent, no right is safe in the new legal regime the court creates.
Birthright. That's a big one.
President Trump signing the controversial executive order on day 1 of his second term, limiting U.S. citizenship only to children born in the U.S. to lawful permanent residents.